Hello, Kate Crane here with another video for the Gel Press Print to Project series. I'm calling today's project Just Add Alcohol. Alcohol inks are a fantastic addition to the gel plate. Some people might be a little bit uncertain about whether you can use alcohol inks on your gel plate in case they become permanent or stain the plate. Actually, they lift off beautifully and you can get some really cool prints. Today I'm using a combination of paint to create an initial layer that the alcohol ink sits really well on top of, and you can create some really interesting, colourful, detailed prints. When you're using alcohol ink on your gel plate, it retains so much detail. I don't think you need to add an awful lot as top layers. I've just finished off mine to create this journal page, but also I work on two together, you'll see in the video. It makes a great little greetings card. And then I did a couple of sunset postcards. A little bit of mail art. So come and join me, let's add some alcohol. To create prints similar to this, I'm going to be using a combination of a Tight and Buff light, so just a very light paint, and some alcohol inks, along with some stencils. Now, alcohol inks lift perfectly well off the gel plate, they leave nothing behind. The gel plate is designed to release any media that you put on there. Now I'm going to start with a very thin layer of Tight and Buff. Now you don't have to start with a paint layer, you can put alcohol inks straight on. I find that they sit really nicely on top of a layer of paint, a really thin layer. Let that dry just a little bit, so it's just sort of touch dry. And I'm going to use this mask by Carabelle Studio. Now, as you see, I'm not going to need the whole design, I'm only using this centerpiece here. I've picked out alcohol inks that I know will blend well together because I don't want to create mud, so I've picked out pinks, reds and yellows. Alcohol inks are fairly fast drying, so be fairly quick with your brayer. Going to leave the mask in place just for a moment while those inks dry, otherwise it might just bleed a little bit as I lift the mask off, so I'm just going to leave it there. It doesn't take long. Now this top layer, this lift off layer, needs to be thin enough to see the design through, otherwise all you do is lift off the top layer of paint. There you have the mask and alcohol design. I'm going to try it again now with different stencil and different colours.